Hello everyone, welcome to St. Thomas School. This is the subject General Knowledge, and today we are going to study about Indian quiz. So, on page number 7, what is the exercise? Read the clues and unscramble the letter to get the words. Number 1. The Government of India wants all Indians to have an Aadhaar identification card. Each card has a 12-digit unique identification numbers. It is used to all the residents of India. Almost all Indians aged 18 years and above have already been enrolled for this card. Number 2. As of 2017, Indian women have been given the opportunity to undertake combat roles in the armed force. That means that they can participate in armed battle against enemy forces. The first female fighter pilots were included into the Indian Air Force to fly the supersonic Sukhoi 70 jets. Number 3. These are the first 8 cities in India to get metro station service: Calcutta, Delhi, Bengaluru, Gurugram, Mumbai, and Jaipur, Chennai, and Kochi. Okay. Number 4. Since 2017, many railway stations in city of Mumbai have been equipped with 24 hours 1 rupee clinics. All medical services offered by this clinic cost only 1 rupee. They also provide promote medical assistance in case of accident on the railway track. Number 5. The world's highest railway bridge is being constructed in Jammu and Kashmir across the river Chenab at 359 m above the river bed. The 1.3-kilometer long bridge will be approximately 35 meters taller than Eiffel Tower. In 2017, India hosted the Under-17 Football World Cup tournament. Number 7. In 2016-17, retired Major General Somnath Jha cycled 12,000 kilometers across 29 states of India over a duration of 7 months to pay homage to the over 21,000 martyrs who have laid down their lives since India's independence. He ended his journey at the Amar Jawan Jyoti in India Gate in Delhi. Number 8. In the first week of July each year, tree planting movement takes place in different parts of India. It is called Van Mahotsav, which means Festival of Forests. In 2017, over 66 million saplings were planted with the help of over 1.5 million volunteers. Now, page number 8, Discovering India. Here, find the name of the cities and people in the world. Maze the circle them. An important seaport and naval base. It has many synagogues and the churches. Its old name was Kochi. Okay, so this is Kochi. A popular center for a modern education, it is connected to Mumbai by 6-lane expressway, India's first, on which vehicle can travel at the steady speed of 80 km an hour, that is in Pune. A modern satellite town of Delhi. It houses head offices of many companies, IT centers and shopping malls. It is in Haryana and that is in Gurugram. An industrial hub in Uttar Pradesh. It is also a satellite town of Delhi. It is located across the river of Yamuna and that is Noida. The city is called twin city of Hyderabad, that is Sikandarabad. Means Hyderabad and Sikandarabad, they both are same in some ways, so that is why they are called twin cities. The longest flyover in India, it is in Hyderabad, and it named after former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. Number 7. Agratala is the capital of the northeastern state, that is Tripura. This city is capital of Meghalaya, and it is beautiful hill station where people love music. Shillong. Number 9. Coimbatore is an industrialized city and district of this state, that is Tamil Nadu. The capital of Madhya Pradesh, it has a pretty lake built by Raja Bhoj called the Bhoj Dal Bhopal. Now the same answer are given in this box. I have already found out. Then you have also do that same. You have to do the you have to make it with the help of pencil and identify from this bracket. Okay, this puzzle. Next, we have on page number 9, complete the name of these places. Number 1, believed to the birthplace of Lord Rama. It is an ancient town in Uttar Pradesh, that is Ayodhya. It is Gujarat's most important business city. It is located next to the river Sabarmati, and that is Ahmedabad, now known as Malanpuram or the Seven Pagodas. It is the historical town famous for its temple and stone sculptures, that is Mahabalipuram. Next, lying along the Sabarmati river, this city is the capital of Jharkhand, that is Ranchi. Number 5, an important railway junction. This city is the capital of Chhattisgarh, that is Raipur. The first bridge in India to be built over a part of sea is located in this city, that is Mumbai. This city is the capital of Telangana, that is Hyderabad. Now come to that next exercise which is given. Okay, and that is already we have. I gave all the answer. Now come to the next exercise, that is on a page number 10, and that is math treasure. Think and answer these questions. How many seconds are there in a day? That is 86,400. In mathematics and science, what quantity does mega stand for? 1 million. How many zeros are there in 10 lakh? That is 6. What is the maximum number of people allowed on a cricket ground while a match is in progress? That is 15. What is our times thrice 13? That is 156. Thrice in the sense 13, 13, 13, 3 times. Okay. Add the number of string on a violin, the number of key on a piano, and the form it. Subtract the number of string on a saxophone. What is the answer? That is 96. What is the Roman measure of the distance equivalent to 1000 paces, known as a mile? Many years ago, this measure was equal to the size of person's foot. What is the measurement called now, and how does it measure 1 foot? What we supposed to do? We have to put our foot over there, and our 1 foot, it's measured like a foot. 1 foot is foot. A bird in hand, it's worth how many in the bush? Now the number of the birds in the bush, add the number of the blackbird back in a pine, and have divide the number you got by 2. Is your quotient the answer you get when you divide a number by another equal to, less than, or greater than a baker's dozen? So that is equal to. Find the two missing numbers, and these two missing numbers are 15 and 17. Complete the series, that is 7 and 35. You can see there is a gap. Okay. Next, what we have on a on a page number 60, that is true and false. What's on the menu? Flamingo eat with their heads and ups and down, that is true. Horses fly spread disease when their feet land on our foot, particularly after they have feasted on the manure or bacteria rich items, that is true. Fly spreads disease when their feet land on our foot. So what they are trying to say, whenever you can see a fly, they are rubbing their feet with each other. Okay, and by rubbing that process, what they are doing, they are spreading bacteria and disease, and especially after eating. If they are near water, raccoons wash their food before they eat it, that is true. Though it can live without food up to 6 months, a camel can eat 4 ton food a day. So that is not true, that is false. A Quebec constitution wrap themselves around their prey to crush their a blue whale can eat a 4 tons of food a day. Not camel. Camel are not eating that much food per day. Okay. Butterflies taste with their feet. That is true. Consecutor are snakes they use venom to kill their prey. That is false. So right answer is co. Bo consecute wrap themselves around their prey to crush their bones. They swallow them whole. So this boa is not, they are not using their poison. What they are doing, they are wrapping themselves to their prey, means shikar. Okay. A month sucked nectar from bull colored flower, that is true. A sloth takes several days to digest its food. Sometimes it takes a longer month to digest a meal, that is true. Sloth is a very slow animal. As you can see a picture, in a picture A8, it's like given. They walk very slow, they climb very slow. The slowest animal on the planet, on our planet, as I can say. Next picture is on number page number 11. Quick thinking. Okay, why do we get newspaper at home on the morning of 27 January and 16, the most cities town of the cities? Why do we not get? Because of national holidays. In India, before crossing the street, should you first look right, then left, and finally right? Or should you look left, then right, and finally left? No, we should watch first right, then left, and finally right. So first option is the right one. What can be turned into steam or ice? That is water, the third form of that. In a book, are the pages on the left always even numbers? That is yes. When dropped from the same height, which will bounce higher, a steel ball or a rubber ball? Of course, rubber ball. Quick think of the name of the 4 months of the year do not have the letter R. So May, June, July and August, they don't have letter R in their spelling. Will the Summer Olympic Games be held in in the year 3000 CE? Of course, big yes. If the time is 15:30 hours in Mumbai, what time in Guwahati, Kanpur, Kochi and the Dehradun? The same time 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. 15:30 means 3:30. Okay. How many issues of Fortunately magazines are published in a year? 26 issues means problem of our country. What do the most adult men have? About 5 million on their bodies. Hair. The adult men have that 5 millions on their body, whole entire body. Put these countries in order, which means either sunrise. So first Japan, then India, then France, and last USA. Sunrise. They are able to see first. Beside the different inner speed, why does an aeroplane get it to the destination faster than a train? So answer is, an aeroplane usually travel in a straight line, which is the shortest distance between two places. They're not supposed to go zigzag or this direction or that direction. They have that ability or opportunity to go straight, so that distance become shorter. So answers below. Fun time. What is the usual black, white and read all over? That is newspaper. Okay, what goes up never comes down? That is the age of a person. Okay, you carry me to school. I grow smaller as I grow older. What I am? There is a pencil, because you sharp after whenever you need it. What can go around the world while staying in a corner? That is stamp. Okay, which is the longest word in English language? That is smile, because we can divide in two parts like mile, and that is letter S. Okay, so mile word we are using for distance, so that is a very longest word. Next we have on page number 61. Okay, animal and specials. Okay, so for identify the animal according to the picture, an extremely good climber. These member of the cat family can be identified the tufts of the hair on its ear and the cheeks, that is lexin. Found in many parts of Africa, these carnivores loves eating ants and the termites, that is aardvark. The domesticated member of a camel family. It are found in the Andes and the valued for the woolly fish, that is lamb. It has a brown, black, white or mixed fur. A predator. It is the close relative of the polecat, that is ferret. Found in the Indonesia and its surrounding island. It is the largest living lizard in the world, that is Komodo dragon. It shared its name with the popular sports brand and also called Courage Partner or a mountain lion, that is Puma, and that is Puma. Okay, found in the warm and the clear water of South America, West Africa, and most part of North America. This large mammal spread its life swimming, lazy, and grazing at the bottom of the sea, that is maintain. This sure-footed wild goat is found in the mountain of Switzerland, Italy, Ireland, and Greece. It has long curved horns, live in a herd, that is ibex. So these are the names of these animals, and I'm going to give you a homework too. Okay, your page number 40. Some great travelers, and page number 41, hard at work. This is your homework and you have to do it by yourself. That is very easy and you can do it. Thank you very much, and your video is over here.